Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. In today's computer class, I'll going to discuss last chapter, chapter 8, Enjoy with TextPaint. TextPaint is a software for drawing and painting, and it has a number of tools to help in drawing in color. It also has interesting sound effects. Uh, Download the TextPaint from the link given in the description below. After downloading, you may run this application into two ways from the start menu. To run the text paint from the start menu, click the start menu and select the all programs, and then click the text paint and click the text paint window. Or the second option is to run the application from the desktop, is to double click the text paint icon which is present on your desktop. You have two options while opening the text paint. You can either open it in the full screen by selecting the text paint full screen, or open it into a new tab by selecting text paint windowed. It is better to open the text paint in a new window because sometimes in the full screen all the options cannot be seen. When you run this application, the title screen appears. As the program is loaded into the memory, please press any key or click the mouse to continue. Or about 30 seconds, the title screen will go away on its own, and the main screen appears. Here you can see this picture. Now the main screen. The main screen is divided into five parts. First one is the toolbar. It is present on the left side of the main screen and it contains the drawing and editing tools. Second one is the drawing canvas. It is present in the center of the main screen to draw the figure over here. And now the selector, it is on the right side of the main screen, and if you select the brush tool, for example, the selector shows the various sizes of the brushes available. Now the help area, which is present at the bottom of the main screen, and it provides tips and other information about the selected tool while drawing on the canvas. Now the color palette. Uh, Palette of the colors is found below the drawing canvas. It has 18 colors. The first 17 colors are the fixed, and the 18th one on the right is not fixed. It is allowed you to change the color. Just click on this color here and the color box will open. Here you can see the color box. As you move over the colors, the same color will appear in the square on the upper right side. Click the color you like, and suppose I'm choosing this color, and you will now see this color in the 18th ring of the color palette. Now the drawing tools. Some of the drawing tools in the text paint are here, and as you use these tools you will hear different sounds. Now first one is a paint tool. To use this, follow the steps. Click on the paint tool. A brush will appear, and as you take the mouse pointer to the drawing canvas, select the color from the color palette by clicking it. Just suppose I'm selecting this one, and you may also select the size of the brush from the brush palette by clicking it. Select. So click and hold the mouse left button and move the mouse pointer on the drawing canvas, and release the mouse each time when you finish a part of your drawing. You may also draw stars, or you may draw different shapes. Flowers, footsteps, there are so many other options like heart is here. Another shapes is there. Now the lines. To select the line tool, click on the line tool and click a color in the color palette to select it. And you may also select the thickness for the lines from the menu on the right. Click and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse pointer on the drawing canvas and release the mouse to draw your lines. And you may also use different thickness. Suppose I'm taking this one. And each time you may also select a new color from the color palette and different thickness. Now to start with the shape tools, click on the shape tool and click a color in the color palette to select it and choose the shape you want in the selector on the right. Click to the center and start drawing. Click and hold the mouse to the left button and drag it into the size you want and release the mouse when you finish. You may also choose different shapes of your own size. Move the mouse around if you want to rotate the shape and click to fix it. Okay, I'm choosing another shape. Pentagon. Yeah. The rhombus of the different color. Oh. You may also draw some filled, simple and unfilled figures. Here I'm choosing this unfilled figure and octagon, it's a filled one I'm choosing. Okay, you can make unfilled also. Here I'm choosing this one. You may also change the color of the background. To change the color of the background, click onto the new, which is present in the right of the menu, and now select the color of your own choice. Here I am selecting this one. Now the background color is changed. And to select the for the text tool, click on the text tool, which is present in the right of the menu, and a blinking line appears on the canvas. If this line does not appear, click anywhere on the drawing canvas. So choose the color from the color palette, and you may also select the text style from the selector on the right. Here I am choosing this one, and now text the type. Okay, and you may also increase the size of the font by clicking the up arrow, or you may also decrease by clicking the down arrow. And now the next one is the magic tool. Click the magic tool, which is present on the right of the menu, and then the magic effect is in the selector. You will see two buttons in the bottom of the selector. So if the button is highlighted, it means the effect can be applied to the parts of the picture. Okay, you can this magic tool lets you to add different kinds of special effects to your drawing. Let's suppose here I'm taking it. You may make bricks, and you may also make the flowers or grasses, and you may choose rainbow as well, and the rails, and you may also the snowflake not working, so this rainbow also. Now the last tool is the eraser tool, and this eraser tool helps you to erase or remove any portion of the drawing. To use the eraser tool, click on the eraser tool which is present on the right of the menu. Now select an area or you want to erase the size you want from the selector. Like you want to erase the seeds. So click and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse pointer on the drawing canvas to erase or remove the whole or a part of the drawing, and release the mouse when you finish. And thank you students for your concentration.